Hey, what's up guys, this is Farzan again. Okay, I don't have the coffee machine, I don't have the coffee press. I need to make coffee, but I don't have anything, so I came up with the tea bags. So the first thing we need to do here is to take out the thread, all right, and throw. Okay, we're gonna use this tea later on, it's fine, but we take it off. If you look here, that's the tea. All right, so I will fill up this one and come back. All right, so I'm trying to keep this video for 1 minute only. All what I need to do is to put the coffee inside. So I'll continue putting another 2 spoons or 1 spoon extra, and I will show you how I'm gonna tighten it up. All right, so done. So you wrap this one like this and try to roll this one around, and that's it, finish. So you made a coffee using the tea bag. Sorry, I thought this video gonna take 1 minute exactly, but apparently it's taking more than that. So yeah, this is how you make a coffee using the tea bag. All right, you guys can see this is the tea bag that we made, right? I put it inside, and this is hot water. Slowly, yeah, look, it's already making coffee. Yeah. All right, perfect. Leave it for a few seconds or a few minutes, and that's it, done. All right, so see you on the next one. Take care.